work on getting the arm across. So we're going to sweep and do another variation of the pendulum sweep. Okay? So when we're here, we lift up and we grab the wrist. Okay? As we lift, the other arm shoots and catches the tricep. I do not pull him in with my arm. I pull him in with my legs. Bring my knees up as I shuck the arm across. And I grab his wrist. I also want to hold his elbow. Okay? Now, from here you're going to do your pendulum sweep. But you're not only going to use your legs. Pull his arm across. So here, do my pendulum sweep, come up, and we're going to go into a technical mount. You keep pushing the elbow till he turns sideways. This foot stays up in front of his stomach, and this knee slides up towards his head. Okay? This is what's called a technical mount. Okay? Here, you have the option of hitting. Okay? For MMA or street, yes. A lot of times what he'll do is he'll block, so what I do is I step over and I pin that, and now he's got nothing. Okay? So you have the option of hitting, or this is jiu-jitsu class, so I'm going to go for our arm work. You're going to loosen up, you're going to hook, and you're going to push down on his face. Look at this other leg swing. Over, and arm work. Okay? So again, guard, grab the wrist, just lift it a little bit, pull it towards you, don't try to lift it up, pull it, it's easier. Okay, see his arm come to me? Even if he's resisting. See? Here? Now, again, if he resists, I don't want to pull with my arms, resist. I'll never get it. Resist. Pull with my legs. Now, I keep this on his tricep. I keep control of his tricep. If I don't, I start fishing for his wrist, I can't get it. Watch what holding the tricep does. Look, I push it up to it. No, it's easy. Catch the elbow, pendulum, okay? You should be able to come directly to the technical mount from there. If you don't, you come to the regular mount. And you didn't roll all the way up and you still have this control. It's very easy. All you're going to do is you're going to lift, push this elbow down, and switch. He's going to come right to his side. Create a little space, hug the arm, push the face, leg over, and arm bar. We got it?
Let's
pair up.